Hi mommies, good morning. So this is my morning routine to boost my milk supply. So happy morning, let today be the start of something new and beautiful. Wala mo lang akong masyado ibang iniisip, no? Relax lang, yan lang, prepare lang tayo na i-breakfast ng ikakape natin, ganon. And then check tayo, ano pa yung pwede nating makain, okay? Meron pa tayong affliction treats, pero kahit ano naman basta mabubusog kayo and healthy. Okay, so self-care, huwag mo kalimutang alagaan sarili mo because always remember, happy mommy is happy baby. And then of course, Unli Dutch, pinakamahalaga yan. Vitamins and supplements, ginamit ko dyan, Tiny Buds, Malunggay Capsule. And then hydrate yourself, of course, pwede yung mga sabaw-sabaw, ganyan, 3 to 4 liters of water. Happy thoughts, of course, no? So, alam ko marami tayong problema. Minsan maraming pinagdadaanan, stress, pero yung stress, isa siya na nakakapag-decrease ng ating milk supply. And then, Andy Lush, breastfeed on demand, 100% nakaka-increase ng milk supply, and then mama and baby manning, of course.